In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen and widgets in iOS 26. All you have to need, long press on your home screen empty space, and here tap on Edit and select Customize. And now you can easily customize your app layout. You can select dark mode, you can select clear if you want to use transparency app icon just like this, or you can select tinted, and you can increase or decrease saturation to change your app color just like this. You can also select here dark, auto, or light. I'm selecting default. And now if you want to hide your app level and you want to increase your app icon size, you can just tap here. This will hide your app level and this will increase your app icon size. And now tap here to enable dark for your theme just like this. And now let's see how to customize widget. Again, long press on your home screen, and for example I want to increase this widget size. So here we can see the size option, so I'm just dragging and let's add a new widget first of all. So I'm tapping on widget, let's add this one. Okay, now using this option you can easily go ahead and edit your widget size just like this. So that's how you can actually customize our iPhone home screen in iOS 26. Thanks for watching.